You ever get paid, feel rich for like 2 days, and then suddenly wonder where all your money went? Yeah, we've all been there. One minute you're celebrating payday, the next you're refreshing your banking app like, wait, who spent $62 at Target? Oh, right, me. The truth is, nobody really teaches us how much cash we should actually keep. You've got one finance influencer yelling, invest everything, and another saying, save every dollar or you'll end up homeless. Meanwhile, the rest of us are just trying to figure out if having $150 left before payday means we're doing fine, or hanging on by a thread. So let's settle this once and for all, and I'll break down exactly how much cash you should keep. Not just in your wallet, but in your checking account, your savings, your emergency stash, and even that little envelope you keep just in case. Because 2025 has made money management trickier than ever. Rent's still up, groceries cost a small fortune, and somehow coffee went from $4 to maybe I should just start growing beans myself. So knowing where your cash goes and why it's there actually matters. Here's the thing, most people treat cash like a guessing game. Some hoard too much, letting inflation nibble away at it in a savings account earning 0.01%. Others keep too little, one unexpected car repair away from full-on panic. The secret isn't just saving money, it's saving with purpose. Think of your cash like employees. Some work daily, some are on standby, and some are in long-term projects. Every dollar needs a job, or else it just sits around, lazy and unproductive. So how do you organize your money like a pro? Simple. Use what I call tiered reserves. It's basically assigning different roles to your money based on how quickly you might need it. Start with your everyday cash. This is the money that keeps life moving. Bills, gas, groceries, subscriptions, random Amazon buys you swear were needs. Ideally, you should have about 1 month's worth of expenses ready to go in your checking account or linked high-yield savings account. So if your monthly bills and expenses total around $3,000, that's how much should be immediately accessible. Not more, not less. Just enough to keep the wheels turning smoothly. Next, you need your emergency safety net. Because let's be honest, life happens. The car breaks down, your dog eats something weird, or your job suddenly decides budget cuts are trending again. That's where your emergency fund comes in. 3 to 6 months of your living expenses set aside in a high-yield savings or money market account. And 2025 is a great time for that because interest rates are still around 4 to 5% on high-yield savings. Banks like Ally, SoFi, and Discover are practically begging you to park your money there. So if you spend $3,000 a month, that means having $9,000 to $18,000 set aside. It's your peace of mind money. You hope you never need it, but when life hits you with a plot twist, you'll be glad it's there. Then there's your opportunity fund. This is the one most people don't talk about. It's not for emergencies, it's for possibilities. It's the cash you use when opportunity knocks, like investing in a course, starting a side hustle, or jumping on a stock dip. Because in 2025, opportunities move fast. AI tools, online businesses, digital freelancing, and the people who have ready cash can actually take advantage of them. You don't need a huge amount, even setting aside 10 to 20% of your savings here gives you flexibility. Let's say you've built up $20,000 in total savings. Keeping $2,000 to $4,000 in an accessible account means you're ready when something good comes up. Wealthy people don't just save money, they stay ready. And finally, there's the long-term reserve, your calm, dependable money. This isn't for daily life or even near-future emergencies. This is the money you're letting grow slowly in safe, low-risk places like treasury bills, short-term bonds, or money market funds. You might not touch it for years, but it's there, quietly compounding, giving you security and stability. Now, if all this sounds overwhelming, here's the easy way to remember it, the 1-3-6 rule. Keep 1 month of expenses in checking, 3 to 6 months in your emergency fund. Everything else goes toward opportunity and long-term reserves. That's it. Simple, structured, and 100% doable, even if you're starting small. Because this isn't about being rich, it's about being ready. Now, before you go reorganizing your finances, let's clear up a few common mistakes people are still making in 2025. First, don't keep all your money in cash. Inflation's sneaky. Your $100 today might buy $90 worth of stuff next year. Second, don't mix your emergency fund with your vacation in Miami fund. Trust me, you'll regret it when the fridge breaks the same week you buy plane tickets. And please, don't store cash under your mattress. It's not 1985, and it's definitely not insured. Instead, Open separate accounts or use digital wallets where you can label each fund. Call them things like bills, emergency, opportunities, and future me. When your money has a name, it has a purpose. So how much cash should you really keep? Enough to protect, prepare, and pounce. Because when you give every dollar a role, you're not just managing money, you're creating stability, confidence, and freedom. Now, I want to know, are you team save everything or team invest everything? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if this video helped you see your money a little differently, hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, save smart, spend wisely, and make your money work like it actually likes you. Thank you for watching.